समीकरण कसं काढायचं? ZOC आणि ZSC काढायचं.
By doing open circuit, short circuit only, you can calculate the SI. So to perform to it cross verification, you can connect a rheostat, and by varying the rheostat, you can just note on the kilowatt readings.
How we have made this open circuit? This we are not
This
connecting
is
any.
open circuit. This is open circuit. Okay.
At
You
the
do the
time
short
that reading
circuit.
is 214.
214.
Okay.
Whenever we sort
Okay.
it, that
Whenever
will
you-
be correct to not it.
Doing the current? Open circuit generally.
That is equal to VOC divided by IS.
It is 240. And current 214. Current
0.25.
525. By using this, you can calculate ZOC. ZOC is equal to V divided by I.
किर्लोस्करचा प्लांट तिकडे पण आहे का? किर्लोस्करचा प्लांट
नंतर शॉर्ट
तिकडे पण आहे. सेकंड
at the time of short circuit, the value of voltage is what? 206, no? I got it. Sir, the question is what? We have to perform the same whenever it is in open circuit.
Okay.
It's
It was
reading
214 right now, sir. 214.
at that time. What is the reading? 206.
206.
206 voltage value. there.
Current is 1.13.
Current 1.13. At that time Z
Was ZSC.
ZSC. Yeah. Okay, finish.
No. Then you can calculate the Yes,
By
sir.
using this formula, you can
Yes.
calculate ZC.
ZC.
It is the square root of ZOC into
ZSC.
ZSC.
So that gives
Surge
them Z
impedance.
value.
Z value.
ZC value in kilowatt.
Right.
So you have to verify.
V square is
cross-verify.
what? V is what?
P is
V
equal to
square?
V square. This is the impedance value of sending in voltage. The supplied voltage.
What is that?
V square is the voltage you are giving to transmission lines, sending in voltage.
That is at the time of open circuit.
Okay. This you are asking for the surge impedance loading, right?
Ah.
So when you connect it for an rheostat,
Hmm.
when you connect it for a rheostat, then power and watt is equal to V square divided by ZSC.
Here we are calculating ZC
ZC.
by using this formula.
Okay.
And what is the value of V square?
V square value when you connect the rheostat and by varying at 120 or 110 to 120, what is the value? You can just calculate it and you can write in kilowatt. So this voltage value, when you connect the rheostat, the sending end voltage you can take it as a V.
Means we are whenever we are short circuiting.
Yeah, you are connecting a load.
Right.
When you are connecting to a
At
load.
that time the voltage value is 106. That we have to calculate. C is equal to U. E is equal to B square by ZC. ZC is the formula. ZC is equal to square root of ZC into ZC. Sending impedance loading. Surge impedance loading. Surge impedance loading. समझ सर
You can calculate to it now.
नेक्स्ट सर
Okay. So we start with this then. Y1 and starts.
Y1
We'll use this one. This is static based differential that you have used, right? That is also a differential relay. It is based on numerical based, and this is static based. So difference between these two is this to be you have to set a current just with a key that you can just go and you have to lock it up. That is numerically based. That is microprocessor based, and this is rheostat and transistor based. Static. The connection wise. Similar to your differential relay, concept is same. Whenever a difference occurs between a primary and secondary end, so the difference current will be observed, and if it crosses the limit, or if it crosses the current setting, then it senses the tripping current, and it gets simply tripped. The connection wise, it's very simple. Depending on all the four connections, this is very simple, really. Short S2 terminals. S2. Fine. We have started the differential relay S2 terminals.
26, 28, and then 28, 24. Okay.
Fine. Next, you have to short here.
Let's set the value.
26, 28
हाँ 26, 28, 24, 26. Sorry, 24, 28.
Fine.
S1, S2.
S1, sorry, S2, and S2.
Sorry, S2, S2.
S2.
And S2.
Sending in CT of
All S2. S2 dash S2 dash S2. That's good. Short.
Fine. You are shorting S2. Again, you will be connecting your S1. You will be connecting your ammeter in series. S1 to S1.
Third one, ammeter in
I think
series.
we have given the connection diagram for this. No, last I think so. This is for a 3-phase.
Okay, now next one.
S1, S2, S2. This
Yeah.
still
Correct,
last.
sir. What you are doing? What?
Ammeter only.
Ammeter.
S1 to S1,
हाँ,
S2 to S2.
all ammeter should be kept in series. Wait, only two.
Only
First
two.
sending and receiving.
And receiving. Right? Primary and secondary.
Except primary, second. Correct.
Next, your S1 terminals are now in open concept. S1.
That's one.
Fine. So here also you have 3 terminals.
Three terminals.
Take 3 wires.
Next sequence. S1. Sorry, S1 to 23. Next. S1 to 25.
Sorry. 27.
27. And then S1 to
Here we have given I1, I2, I difference. So this is the difference terminal. This is the sending end and receiving end. Fine.
correct. Oh.
Till now all the connections are fine. Now is it fine? You have to connect the voltmeter.
Parallels. అలాగే
Is it okay? Is the connection is difficult?
No.
It's messy, that's it. The connection is very simple. Right? Till now, all the terminals have been connected. Next is load.
Percentage of
To load.
Right? Don't keep it in check maximum, keep it in a minimum, then you turn it on. If you keep it in a maximum, the fuse will get blown up, then you have to change fuse. Okay?
it will be quite. 1 second here.
These are the thing for creating a fault. Now I will not create, I will be keeping it open. Right? Turn on the heat sensor.
Next. Okay.
Right? This you are sending in current, the primary current. This is secondary current. The difference current is showing. Once sending in voltage, receiving voltage.
Within limits.
It will not create any fault. Whenever you increase the load also, it should not create any fault. I have not created any fault. Don't go in maximum because my transformer is 1.3 and my rheostat is also is 1.5 maximum.
आता कनेक्शन मध्ये नाहीच आहे ना.
एक आहे.
एक rheostat. एक variable ला बनवलं आहे, fixed ला बनवलं आहे.
हा
Open development. No,
Open.
I have kept
Open.
in open. I have not made any connection for this. I have not created till now. I have not created any fault.
Fault. This is only for the fault.
This
Okay.
creating for fault.
Okay.
This is for loading.
This one for loading
Loading.
or variation.
Yes. I have loaded till 1.3.
There is any range?
1.3 you can keep it as maximum because my transformer is 300 VA.
So 1.3.
Normal
This is
point.
maximum. Below that we have to always take the reading below.
Yes. Till now is it fine?
These are the very important points
Yes.
that
The
you can
limits.
say for every kit.
Transmission line have got it. This one is 1.3 and generator protection. The generator current is for 3.8 amperes. The I prefer till 3.2. And for if you are creating line to line fault, keep it at 100 volt and create a fault. Don't go for 220 because the high current can more than. Is it fine till now?
Okay.
Now you are creating a fault. So you can just place it at 80%. 80%. Fine. Now you are creating a fault at 80% to your neutral. 80% to neutral. Fine. So I have set it for 0.2. You can observe here, sir. So 0, 0, 0, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 and 0.02. So maximum I can set up to is 0.5. I have set it for 0.2 till now. So if the current difference current increases above 0.2, the relay senses the tripping signal and it gets to.
So we have to vary.
Yes.
Point.
And how can I change the setting?
Let's go ahead. One second. Reset it. Shall I make it up to? So now shall I make it 0.1? 0. Once I turn it on only, it will get tripped.
0.1. Next one is also 0.1, no?
0.1, 0.1, 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2.
Ah.
Plus 0.1 is
It's
0.3.
added.
Yes, it's adding.
Means now
You can here you can see this is set current is equal to sum of iron. Iron is equal to 1 always. So summation of A is summation of this point.
okay.
Turning on position.
Now it's 0.3, no?
Now it's
Now
1,
it's
0.1.
0.1.
जसं जसं आपण हे करत
खालून
जातो-
वरती का वरून खाली
खालून वरती
I have
ते
turned off
विचारते
this.
मी.
ऍड होते ते.
I have turned off this.
हा.
I have turned on only this.
This is on left side position is on.
On.
And right side position is off.
Off.
Okay. Now it's 0.1 on.
1,
If I kept second one 0.2.
0.2,
Third one 0.3.
0.3.
And last one 0.5.
5. Right? Shall I turn it on?
Yeah.
Nothing is
If you want, you can make it like directly on.
It will require to reset or restart the system.
No, sir. Directly you can make it. By using fault simulation switch.
The zero ला जे-
Start.
Whenever I short these two terminals, directly the 80% and the neutral will be directly shorted. It looks for any of the value, it will take the same.
It is more than 0.1 or
Now I will keep for 0.3. Fine.
Hmm.
Here, one
Middle is not showing the difference. No, it's 0.05.
you are setting for 0.4. No?
It's only the meter will be indicated only for a fraction of second. That is 1.1 to 0.112 milliseconds. So you cannot just observe to it. I will turn on it.
6.
0.6.
ओके 2-3 सेकंदासाठीच तो दाखवतो तेवढी व्हॅल्यू आता आपण
व्हेरिएशन्स करून जर घेतलं तर
I can do from the rheostat, but my rheostat capacity is only 1.5 amps. Whenever I directly connect to the transformer, the sending in current is been increasing to 1.4 or 1.5.
now we are
So
having
initial-
rheostat of here range.
Yeah, you can just you can, but my transformer capacity is 1.5. We could not load up to my we could not delay the tripping time.
But when we are
Fortunately,
using
what-
rheostat,
We are setting, we are increasing the point.
Difference is shown by remote system. But with this only
directly
नाही directly
What is
not.
the use of that?
For fraction of second it is showing, but तेवढ्या लवकरात लवकर आपल्याला ते recognize करावं लागतं.
The use of this, like as it's same like in a three-phase generator protection limit. The limit is current limit is 0.2, 0.8, 0.4, 0.5 is maximum. Whenever it crosses 0.5, it directly hits. Whenever I do short circuit from 100% to neutral, it will obviously increase the voltage because my sending end voltage is 220. So 220. Whenever I directly short the phase and neutral, the current will increase more than 0.5. Directly it gets shut down.
You see, depends on percentage also.
Percentage also.
Now we have set
Now
it
I
for
have set for 100%, right?
It is 0.6 आलं
I will
होतं.
turn it on.
Now
Now
we are
6.
setting for 0.4.
When it is for 80%, it was showing 0.1594
Right.
Millisecond.
milliseconds. So 159 milliseconds. Now the time should increase. Correct, right? Is it right, sir?
0.7 नंतर परत ते 0. 0.7 आलं होतं ना आता. लिमिट किती होती 0. किती 4 ना
0.4.
0.4 येते का?
आणि इथे 0.7 दाखवलं ना त्याने 5
0.5.
Yes.
दाखवतो तो पण लगेच जातो.
हां. जसं त्यांनी फॉल्ट मग केलेला होता
हा
त्यावेळी त्यांनी दाखवलं.
हा
आणि
नाही
ते
त्याच्यात
continue राहतं.
त्याच्यात ग्रॅज्युअली दिसतं पण ह्याच्यात एकदम ती व्हॅल्यू येते आणि नंतर लगेच 0 होतं.
You can feel the heat of this transformer. Yes.
it is like so, we can increase the rating of these rheostats.
Yeah, you can see.
पण ते ट्रान्सफर करतो
That's
चालेल,
yes, this